Remember to grab your receipt. Thanks. See you again soon.
Feels like summer outside today after months of rain. Not complaining one bit. I actually enjoyed it, which is nice. It's a good change from all the cold weather. I will enjoy it as much as possible. warm weather this morning. It actually feels like summer. Summer and spring. Yesterday it was 90 degrees. When you haven't done a certain exercise for a long time, you get the muscle soreness afterwards. I'm kind of feeling it right now from yesterday's run, since I've been mostly doing indoor running. So back to outdoor running it is again. Hopefully the weather will stay a little bit on the warm side now. We'll see. The weather is pretty hot out today, so didn't really do much of anything for most of the day. And kind of gotten cooler now, so just going for a little walk. Still warm, but not as hot. And we're back from the walk. Thank you so much for joining me these last few days. I hope you had a really good time. Do come back next week, as I'll have a whole new adventure for you, aka the Super Bloom. And you do not want to miss out on that, because it's going to be fun. Plus I have more adventures to come, so you do not want to miss out on any of it. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.